In a sunlit living room, a curious kitten named Miso settles in for a reel of funny cat clips. Her wide eyes follow tumbling paws as she taps the screen with a paw, purring at every silly moment. Whiskers twitch, she notes the sweatered dog's pep and declares the laser pointer a tiny tyrant. When a cat chases its tail, Miso calls it a breakthrough in self-awareness and instantly snoozes afterward. She bows with a final meow and promises more purr-worthy reactions in the next video.